Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make ほうれん草のニンニク炒め. It's spinach, stir-fried with garlic. Very easy and quick to make, and you can have a lot of spinach. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this ほうれん草のニンニク炒め. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 400 grams of spinach, 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of sake, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and half a teaspoon of salt. As always, let's finish all the cutting first. So garlic. I keep them frozen, so it's still frozen, but never mind. Let's make it into thin slices. And the spinach. Let's cut the bottom off. And cut it into 2 inches or so, all the way to the leaves. Let's heat up some vegetable oil in the pot. It's just random amount, about a tablespoon. And add the stemmy part of the spinach and garlic. And just stir fry it until it's wilted. Once it's wilted, add the leafy part. Once the leafy part is wilted too, add all the seasonings. Sake, soy sauce, and salt. Keep cooking for a minute. To cook off the alcohol in sake. Turn the heat off and it's done. Super easy. Let's serve in the bowl. Some black pepper if you like. And ほうれん草のニンニク炒め is ready to go. That was quick, wasn't it? Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The spinach wasn't cooked for a long time, so it's still fresh and crunchy. And the garlic adds so much aroma to the dish, and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. ほうれん草のニンニク炒め is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Plain rice here, and enoki miso soup here. These dishes are so healthy, and I think I can have something heavy for the main. So how about karaage, Japanese fried chicken here? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.